Hello Parhakoos, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So this video is about the language of algebra. So let's start off the video. Arithmetic की तरह algebra में भी we have four operators: plus, minus, division and multiplication. Here you need to remember one very important thing. कभी-कभी division की जगह you will find the word quotient. और मल्टीप्लिकेशन की जगह यू विल फाइंड द वर्ड प्रोडक्ट. अलजेब्रा की लैंग्वेज में एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है, दैट इज दैट ऑफ द पावर. अगर सेम वेरिएबल्स या सेम कॉन्स्टेंट्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं, मल्टीप्लाई को वी रिप्रेजेंट बाय द हेल्प ऑफ अ डॉट एज वेल. सो x into x or x multiplied by x multiplied by x. So we can rewrite it as x, and since these are 3, 1, 2, 3, so in the form of the power. Here this is the base and this is the power. There's a separate video on the concept of power, so you can watch that video too. So Parhakoos, now it's practice time. So pause the video and try to guess the answer. Okay, so let's start off with the solution. Okay, we have to write in the language of algebra. So हमने operators पढ़े हुए हैं, और since algebra is the language of constants, variables and operators, so we have to use the same thing and we have to transform this descriptive form into the algebraic form. So let's start off. Okay, so the first is 3a plus 7b. So 3a plus 7b. It was easy. 6x minus y. 6x minus y. 3a divided by 2b. 3a divided by 2b. X multiplied by z. X, or we write x this way, x multiplied by z, or you can write as x dot z. So dot is basically multiplication in algebra, or if there is no sign present different values, then it is considered that there is multiplication. So you can also write this way: the sum when 4 is added to 6a. 4 is added to 6a, that means 6a and 4 is added to 6a. The product of a and b, so product means multiplication, so a dot b or a b. The quotient of p and q, quotient means division, so you can write as p divided by q or p divided by q. So I hope you understand this lesson. Have a happy learning.